In this video, I'll detail how to use check-in on Apple Watch. If you have an Apple Watch and you're embarking on a journey with or without your iPhone and you want to use check-in and share your location with a contact on your iPhone or an iMessage on or an Apple Watch user, then this video is going to show you step by step on how to use check-in on Apple Watch. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is just click on the YouTube crown to exit the watch face like this. Click on the message app, then click on all messages. Then here you have access to all communications you have on your iMessage. Now what you need to do here is this. Come here and click on this pencil icon to select a new contact or use your existing contact from the list like this. Then once you selected that, click on iMessage and here you'll be able to type in your iMessage. However, to be able to use check-in on your Apple Watch, click on plus. Then if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see check-in, click on that. Then you're going to see check-in loading on your Apple Watch. This is going to confirm whether the recipient can use iMessage, and once confirmed that the recipient can use iMessage, all you just need to do is click on the send button. So just hang on, this might take a couple of minutes or seconds for your Apple Watch to confirm that the recipient can use iMessage, and once confirmed, all you just need to do is click on the send button, and this is going to send the message to the recipient on your Apple Watch. So that is exactly how to use check-in on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.